Hey Energy Tech, it's Mr. Murphy here to go over the Everybody Writes solutions. So we had previously factored the trinomial x squared plus 8x plus 12, and our answer was x plus 2 times x plus 6. But my question for you here is, what if the b coefficient were negative? So what if we took this plus 8x, and changed it to minus 8x? I want you to explain how x factoring this trinomial would be different. So by now you should have been on this collaborate slide and written a response. If you haven't yet, before moving on to the rest of this video, I want you to pause and take some time to really think about this problem and write a response on this slide. So we're going to move on. We have the solution here. And so we have, instead of positive 8x, we have minus 8x. We're going to be trying to explain how the factoring will differ. And so since we have b is negative 8, we're going to have to find two factors of 12 that combine to negative 8. And those factors are negative 2 and negative 6. And if, maybe some of you might have tried to work out the problem on your own, right? You draw the x factor diagram, AC on top, b on the bottom. B is negative 8. A times c, that's 1 times 12 is 12. So two numbers that multiply to 12 but add to negative 8, it's going to be negative 2 and negative 6. And that's because we're trying to come up with two numbers that, when combined, are negative, but when multiplied are positive. And for our multiplication algorithms, we have a negative times a negative is going to be a positive. So it kind of makes sense that these two factors will be negative. So this is kind of like a rule that we can generate. If we know the a and c will be a positive number, but the b is negative, then you're going to have two negative factors. So our answer here is going to be x minus 2 times x minus 6. And we can use the FOIL method to check our answer, right? We got x times x is x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 2 times x is negative 2x. So negative 6x and negative 2x combine to negative 8x. And then negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. So it all checks out.